Completing a mergers and acquisitions transaction is an important decision for any company, especially when the transaction takes place abroad. When done right, a merger or acquisition can expand your business into new markets, give you a competitive advantage, and increase your profits. But when done poorly, a merger or acquisition can consume a lot of resources and yield little in return. If you're considering a mergers and acquisitions transaction abroad, there are a few things you should keep in mind to ensure success. The first step in any successful mergers and acquisitions is due diligence, and this is doubly true when you are expanding into new international markets. You must thoroughly research the company or companies you are considering acquiring. This ranges from their financial situation to their cultural fit with your organization. It is also important to learn about the legal and regulatory landscape of the country or countries where the target company operates. This will help you avoid potential pitfalls and ensure that the transaction goes smoothly. When considering a mergers and acquisitions deal abroad, it's important to consider whether the target company's culture is a good match for yours. There can be many cultural differences between companies based in different countries, even if they are in the same industry. Do your research and make sure there is enough commonality between the two cultures to make a merger or acquisition successful. Another crucial element of a successful foreign mergers and acquisitions is getting expert advice from people who understand both the local market and the intricacies of mergers and acquisitions. This can mean hiring a local law firm or accounting firm to help you conduct due diligence and navigate the regulatory landscape, or bringing in consultants who have experience with cross-border mergers and acquisitions. Having this expertise will help ensure that the deal goes smoothly and that there are no surprises along the way. At Collaboration Capital, our team contacts targets in their native language so you get more responses from potential targets, and we make sure that the first discussion starts well. Finally, have a plan B. It's important to remember that not all mergers or acquisitions go as planned, no matter how much due diligence is done beforehand. Therefore, it is critical to have contingency plans in place in case something goes wrong. This may include having other financing options in place in case the deal falls through, or having a plan to part ways with the target company if it doesn't work out. By having these contingency plans in place, you'll be prepared for anything that comes up in a mergers and acquisitions transaction abroad. To conclude, mergers and acquisitions can be a great way to expand your business into new markets, but they are not without risks. If you're considering a mergers and acquisitions deal abroad, there are a few things you should keep in mind to increase your chances of success, including conducting research, considering cultural fit, seeking expert advice, and putting contingency plans in place. By following these tips, you can minimize the risks associated with a foreign mergers and acquisitions and increase your chances of emerging successful.